Are you wondering how to subscribe to Prime Video annually? In this video, I will show you exactly how to subscribe to Prime Video annually, how the annual plan works, what is included, and how to activate it using the official and real link in the description and pinned comment. If you want to subscribe to Prime Video annually right now, click the official and real link in the description and pinned comment. That link takes you directly to the official Prime page with updated pricing and plan details. Let's start with how to subscribe to Prime Video annually step by step. First, click the official and real link in the description and pinned comment. This ensures you are on the correct and official page. Second, sign in with your Amazon account. If you do not have an account, create one for free. Third, choose the annual membership option. In many regions, Prime Video is included as part of an annual Prime membership plan. When you select the annual option, you will see the total yearly price. The annual plan usually costs less overall compared to paying month by month. Always confirm the current annual price by using the official and real link in the description and pinned comment, because pricing and promotions can change. Now let's talk about what you get when you subscribe to Prime Video annually. With the annual subscription, you get unlimited access to Prime Video streaming, thousands of movies and TV series, exclusive Amazon originals, streaming on multiple devices, offline downloads on supported devices. If Prime Video is included with a full Prime membership in your region, you may also receive additional benefits such as shipping perks and exclusive deals. That is why many users prefer to subscribe to Prime Video annually instead of paying monthly. Another advantage of subscribing annually is convenience. You pay once for the year and do not need to worry about monthly payments. If you are not sure whether the annual plan is available in your region, click the official and real link in the description and pinned comment to check directly on the official page. Before confirming your annual subscription, always review the total yearly cost, billing details, cancellation policy, included benefits. Prime memberships typically allow cancellation, but refund policies may vary depending on usage. Always verify this information on the official page through the official and real link in the description and pinned comment. So, how to subscribe to Prime Video annually? Click the official and real link in the description and pinned comment. Log into your Amazon account. Choose the annual Prime membership option. Add or confirm your payment method. Confirm your annual subscription. Once completed, you will instantly have access to Prime Video and all included benefits. If you are ready to subscribe to Prime Video annually, open the description and click the official and real link in the pinned comment now. That is the safest way to check the current annual price and activate your membership.